Hello everyone, and welcome to French Fried Trades. Today, we're going to be building another fictional trade here, and we're going to be building The Little Engine That Could from the classic children's story of the same name here. And this is what it looks like, so let's get right into the build now. To start off, we're going to take deep slate tile stairs, and we're going to place one in the middle, facing forward, and then wrap around the corner on either side of it like this. Then an upside down stair facing backwards behind it. Then we're going to take prismarine brick slabs up here, and we're going to do a row of slabs that's 5 blocks wide. Then we'll come right behind here, and we're going to do a set of netherite wheels with an end rod axle. Then on the upper hitbox, we'll do 2 rows of 3 deep slate tile slabs. Then another set of netherite wheels and an end rod axle. Then on the side of each of the 4 wheels, we're going to put an oak button on all 4 wheels. And then 2 oak fence gates on the middle of each side. Then we're going to come on top of this truck in the center and put 2 light blue concrete. So it's in the middle like that. And then at the back of it in the middle, a netherite right here. Then coming off that netherite, we're actually going to do another 5 blocks of netherite on this second layer up the middle. Then on the side of it up here, we're going to put 3 deep slate tile blocks here and 3 on the other side. Then we'll turn both of these on each side into a 3x3 plus shape here. And then we're going to take oak stairs upside down in all the corners and round this off. And same thing on the top using right side upstairs. So both of these driving wheels are completely rounded off with oak stairs here. Now take a prismarine wall, one here, and then we'll do the pistons. So on the side of this wall, we're going to put 3 light blue concrete like this. And then 3 on this side. On the front of each of the pistons, we're going to put an item frame with a block of gold in each one. Then on the side of the piston, we're going to put an oak sign here and an oak sign here. Do the same thing over here. So an oak sign here and here. Then we'll do the driving rods, and for that, we're going to use warped slabs here. So we're going to come off the bottom back of the piston here, 2 slabs here, then move up a hitbox and do 2. Then we need a second slab underneath the end right here, and a skeleton skull on the side. Repeat it on this side. So 2 slabs here, a double slab here, 1 here, and a skeleton skull on the side right there. Then take prismarine brick slabs, put 2 slabs right here, 2 on this side. Then in this center, we're going to put light blue concrete, and we're going to make it stick out 1 right here. And then bring it right down this center in between these wheels to the back. Then right here, we'll do 3 upside down prismarine brick stairs and 2 here. And then same thing on this side, 2 here, 3 here. Then above this, we're going to go 3 wide end to end with light blue concrete here. Right up to here, and then a line of light blue concrete across the top middle. Then on this top outside edge, a full row of prismarine brick stairs here, and a full row of prismarine brick stairs on this side here. And we need to grab a block of gold here and an item frame. We're going to change this center block on the front to gold, then put an item frame with another block of gold on it, so it looks like that. Then we're going to come down behind this and leave 2 empty blocks of space, and on the 3rd block out, do a set of netherite wheels with an end rod axle. Behind that, on the upper hitbox, we're going to do a 3x3 of deep slate tile slabs and another set of netherite wheels with an end rod axle. Then put an oak button on the side of each wheel and an oak fence gate on the center here. Do the same thing on this side here. Then we'll come up on this second layer in the middle with netherite blocks. And do a line of netherite up the middle. And we're going to come out 2 blocks past these back wheels. So it looks like this. And then actually we're going to make this netherite 3 wide. So another full row here. And another full row on this side right here. Then on the back middle, put a grindstone here. And underneath the middle, we'll put 3 dark oak fence gates down here. So it looks like that. Then we're going to go back to our blocks of gold here. Start at the back, do a row of gold here, and stop 2 blocks before the front. Then put an oak slab here. Same thing on this side, an oak slab here, and then a line of gold to the back. Then start above the slab and do a line of light blue concrete to the back, come across the back, and back up till you're over the slab on this side. Then 3 light blue concrete across here, then an upside down oak stair here, and on this side facing forward. Then up here, we're going to do a row of 4 light blue concrete on this front corner, 4 on this side. Then a prismarine brick stair here and here facing inward, light blue concrete here and here. Then skip 1 block back, light blue to the end, and then down around the back, and leave a 1 block space on that side as well. Then up here, we'll do a row of 5 oak stairs, and 5 on this side, and 3 upside down stairs across the back. Fill the rest of this roof in between here with light blue concrete. Just like that. Then take out warped fence gates. We're going to put 2 here where this gap is, and 2 on this side here. Then we need to get iron bars, and we're going to put 3 iron bars on either side of this. And then same thing on this side, 3 iron bars on either side here. Then come to the back and put 2 warp fence gates on either side of the back like this. Then we'll come up to the very front here, and we're going to put a warp fence gate here and 1 on this side right here. Now come up on top of the front, open a fence gate right here. Then we need to crouch and get a sideways grindstone on top of that fence gate. Then on the front of the grindstone, we need to put a glow item frame, and then we'll put a frog light inside that item frame. Then we'll come back here, and we're going to take out light blue stained glass panes, and we're going to put 4 of them in a pattern like this, then 2 light blue concrete in the center, and a soul campfire on top. Then we'll put a light blue concrete on all 4 sides of this, and then another one on all 4 sides. In these corners, we'll put 2 light blue stained glass panes in all 4 of the corners. Then on top of it, we're going to put 4 oak slabs like this, and then crouch and put an oak trapdoor over this campfire. Then we're going to come down behind this in the top middle here, and we're going to put a bell right here. Then skip a block and do a light blue concrete, and we're going to put an oak sign on all 4 sides of that block. Then another light blue above it, and same as before, an oak sign on all 4 sides of it. On top, we'll put a creeper head, then come back here, a brewing stand here, and a creeper head right here. Now we'll come inside here. We're going to change this front center block to another brick block here. Then we're going to fill the rest of this floor 3 wide with netherite to the back here so it's all at the same level. Then we'll take out some blackstone And we'll do a U shape of Blackstone blocks like this, and then do some slabs so our coal pile looks three-dimensional here. Then we'll come up here, put a blue concrete on either side of this, one on the top middle, then a prismarine stair here and here. Then light this nether brick on fire, close a trapdoor on it. Above it, an item frame with a compass, then an open fence gate over here, a lever on this side. Now the little interior's done, and here I realized because of this fence gate we actually couldn't get in and out of here. So I'm taking off this top fence gate, and we're gonna grab a prismarine brick stair, and we'll change this top one to an upside down stair for the other step, just so we can fit through there. Do the same thing on this side, take off this fence gate and change this to a stair, just like that. Now we need to make a banner for the face, so come into a loom, black banner and white dye, put a horizontal on top. Then go to light blue dye and a vertical in the center. Then go to red dye and make the bottom half red. Then go back to light blue dye, put a horizontal in the middle and on the bottom, and then a light blue border around it. And that's for the face, and it actually goes up here on the front of the funnel. So it looks like that. And there we have it, folks. We've completed the little engine that could. I hope everyone enjoyed this little build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.